As part of our ongoing information security initiatives, CWRU is adding two-factor authentication to all enterprise applications. This security control is important to protect user data from inappropriate disclosure if user credentials are compromised. Hi, I'm Tom Su from University Technology. Today, we will show you how to get started on using two-factor authentication with CWRU's Google Suite, also referred to as GSuite, with Duo Security. CWRU users of Duo will now use it to protect access to email, calendar, Drive, Hangouts, and all the GSuite applications. Duo protects your GSuite accounts by using the Duo mobile app on your phone to verify your identity when you log in, so no one else can get in, even if they have your CWRU password or passphrase. With Duo, you will have a stronger authentication pathway to your GSuite, and without the need to change your password every day. This is what the Duo protected login will look like. Before you log in, make sure you have already enrolled your CWRU account in Duo. Contact the help desk or refer to the Duo self-enrollment video. The self-enrollment is found here at webapps.case.edu/duo/webauth.py. CWRU UTech prefers users to make use of the Duo mobile app on their smartphone. It's free, and it's the most convenient and most secure option. Users who do not own a smartphone can still use a cell phone or desk phone number for Duo authentication. But be careful, phone calls can be spoofed. To connect to CWRU's GSuite applications, open a browser session to webmail.case.edu or www.google.com and click the Login button and use your CWRU ID at case.edu to start the login process. Next, you will see the CWRU Single Sign-On or SSO page. Log in with your CWRU network ID and password as usual. Whoa, nothing was different. What's up with that? If you have not enrolled your CWRU network ID in Duo, you will not see the Duo login. Note well, your account will not be protected by Duo. After you successfully log in via SSO, you should see the Duo login page. Select the device and choose Send Me a Push in the menu. Respond to the push notification in your mobile app. iWatch users will also get a notice on their watch. Whoa again! I did not see the Duo window, but I received the push notice directly. If you have made the Duo push the default setting, you will receive the push notices without the menu choice. You can contact the help desk for help in changing your Duo settings. How often do I have to use Duo with GSuite? You will need to use it for every fresh login to GSuite, such as after a restart of your computer or browser. A new GSuite session will require login and Duo. GSuite sessions last a few days, so your login session will not be required every day unless you log off completely at the end of your day. Next, if you are using a smartphone to access your GSuite email and calendar, you will need to refresh your login on the smartphone with Duo. This step applies only once, since mobile app sessions persist longer than browser sessions. Make sure your phone has a passcode or biometric to log in as well. Using Duo will help protect access to your data and university information in GSuite from attack. Thanks for watching University Technology's self-help videos. Experts are always available to help you at the UTech Service Desk. Call us at 368-HELP or email us at help@case.edu.